ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಗರುಡಾರುಡ ಕಟಾಕ್ಷ ಕಾಮರೂಪಿಣಿ ಸರ್ವಲೋಕ ಇಕುಂಠಂ ವಂದೇಹಂ ನಟರಾಜಂ ಶಿವಂ. This means, I bow to the Lord who is embodied in the form of Garuda and has the power to grant all the desires. I salute to the Lord, ruler of the world, the embodiment of dance, Nataraja, the auspicious Shiva. Bowing down to the Lord Nataraja, offering my humble pranam and invoking the divine presence, I, Manasa Pramod, take immense pleasure in welcoming you all to the Mudra Veda 2026, the annual day celebration of Mudra Dance School of Bharatanatyam, performed by the students of Guru Srimati Pooja Ashwin. So today we will witness beautiful dancers from our tiny tots stepping on stage for the very first time to those who are already confident and seasoned performers. I request you all to please encourage our students with your warm applause throughout this evening. Thank you. We begin this event with a formal offering of prayer to Lord Nataraja, the cosmic dancer whose divine movements are the source of all motions in the universe. I invite Guru Srimati Pooja Ashwin and Ashwin to kindly join us on the stage for the lighting of the lamp. I also request Veni Aunty and Ramdas Uncle to escort our chief guest for today, Gayatri Nair, to the stage, please. With great honor and respect, we warmly welcome our chief guest, Gayatri Nair, founder of Sarva Dance Academy, Kitchener.
Kapittajambu phalasara bhakshitam umasutam shoka vinashakaranam namami vigneshwara pada pankajam. Gajanana Padmarkam Gajananam Aharnisham Anekadantam Bhaktanam Ekadantam Ekadantam Upasmahe
While rooted in Kerala, rich culture and tradition, her artistic training evolved across Gujarat, Mumbai, and Pune. She pursued her formal training in Bharatanatyam under the guidance of Guru Sri Trupti Thakur of Nalanda University and currently continuing her learning under her guidance along with Vidushi Pooja Upadhyay. Guru Srimati Pooja Ashwin has showcased her talent at district and state, gaining recognition for her expressive abhinaya and technical performance. Mudra Dance School, originally established by her first guru Sri Balakrishnan and lately nurtured by her elder sister Anuja Ranjit in Chennai. Pooja began teaching in Gujarat, and after moving to Canada in 2023, she started her dance class and was honored to have her students performed at Guruvayur Temple, Brampton. With deep dedication to learning and teaching, she continues to nurture young dancers while preserving the essence of classical tradition. Please join me in giving her a warm round of applause. And also, may I kindly request everyone to keep your phones on silent mode, allowing you all fully enjoy the performance. And once again, please be generous with your applauses. We begin today's performance with Pushpanjali. Pushpanjali is an offering of flowers by the dancers and is traditionally performed at the beginning of Bharatanatyam Margam. It is a salutation to the Lord of Dance Nataraja, the Guru, the musician, and the audience. This auspicious beginning also includes a prayer to Lord Ganesha, the remover of all obstacles, whose blessings are essential for every performers. The Pushpanjali symbolizes the dancer's humble prayer before stepping into the sacred space of dance. Today's Pushpanjali is set in Ragam, Gambhirya Natai, Talam, Adi. So let's all join our hands in welcoming our dancers on stage, please.
ವಾಗನ ಮೋದಗಯತ ಚಾಮರಕರ್ಣ ವಿನಂದಿತ ಸೂತ್ರ ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಗನ ಮೋದಗಯತ ಚಾಮರಕರ್ಣ ವಿನಂದಿತ ಸೂತ್ರ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತತ್ತರಿರತ್ತತ್ತಾಂ ಕುತಕಿಟಕಿನ ತಗತೋ ಜಗತಾಂ ಸೋರೆ ವಾಮನ ರೂಪ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಪುತ್ರ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಆದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ವಾಮನ ರೂಪ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಪುತ್ರ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಆದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಆದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ
Wasn't that a beautiful start to our program? The grace and the devotion in Pushpanjali truly set the tone what's coming next. Before we proceed to our next performance, let us take a moment to learn a bit about Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest classical dance form of India, originating from Tamil Nadu and nurtured in temples and royal courts since ancient times. It is often described as an artistic yoga, where every movement of the body is woven with rhythm, expression, and elegance. The word Bharata represents three essential aspects of this art. Bha for bhava, emotion, Ra for raga, the melody, Ta for thala, rhythm. Bharatanatyam consists of three elements. Nrita, pure rhythmic movement, Natya, expressive storytelling, and Nrita, a combination of both rhythm and expression. The theoretical foundation of Bharatanatyam is found in Natya Shastra, which is the Asian textbook on performing art written by Bharata Muni. Every movement in Bharatanatyam is precise and creates beautiful patterns, making it look as though the dancer is waving geometry into motion. So now, moving on to our next performance, it is time to witness a performance filled with rhythm, grace, and vibrant energy. Our next piece is set to the popular track Bomma Bomma. The song also been loved by Ayomi, who is a daughter of Guru Pooja Ashwin and Ashwin. For its lovely beats and rhythmic spirit, our talented dancers have worked tirelessly in bringing this choreography to life, blending classical elegancy with innovative movements. So, sit back, relax, and allow the music and dance to transport you into the world of celebration and joy. Please welcome Citralika and Vedika with a warm round of applause.
ಉದನಿ ತನಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ದಿತ್ತಂ ದಿತ್ತಂ ತೋಂ ತೈ ತೈ ಗಣಪತಿನಾಂ ಸದಂ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ಕಿಡದಗ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾನ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ಕಿಡದಗ ಧಕ್ಕಡದಗ ಓಡುತ್ತಾಂ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ಕಿಡದಗ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾನ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ಕಿಡದಗ ಧಕ್ಕಡದಗ ಓಡುತ್ತಾಂ ಉದನಿ ತನಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ದಿತ್ತಂ ದಿತ್ತಂ ತೋಂ ತೈ ತೈ ಗಣಪತಿನಾಂ ಸದಾ ಅವರ ವಾಸವೇ ಕರಂಬಾಜತಿ ಅಕೆ ನಾಂ ಸದೂರ್ ಗಣರಾಜ ಅವರ ವಾಸವೇ ಕರಂಬಾಜತಿ ಅಕೆ ನಾಂ ಸದೂರ್ ಗಣರಾಜ ತಾಳ ಮಂದಿರ ಬಹುತು ತಾಮ ಸತ್ಸುರ ಮಂಡಲ ಕಿ ಸುರಭಾಜ ತಾಳ ಮಂದಿರ ಬಹುತು ತಾಮ ಸತ್ಸುರ ಮಂಡಲ ಕಿ ಸುರಭಾಜ ಬೊಮ್ಮತ ತಯ್ಯ ನಕ ದಿನ ಭಜಂಕರೆ ಉದನಿ ತನಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ದಿತ್ತಂ ತೋಂ ತೈ ತೈ ಗಣಪತಿನಾಂ ಸದಾ ವೇಣುವಾಸರೆ ಅಮೃತ ಕುಂಡಲಿಕೆ ತಾರಿ ಕಿಡದಗದ ವಾಲ್ಕಜ ವೇಣುವಾಸರೆ ಅಮೃತ ಕುಂಡಲಿಕೆ ತಾರಿ ಕಿಡದಗದ ವಾಲ್ಕಜ ನಾರದ ತುಂಬುರು ವೈನ ಬಜಾಕೆ ನಾರದ ಗಣಮೇ ವರ್ಸರ್ಗ ನಾರದ ತುಂಬುರು ವೈನ ಬಜಾಕೆ ನಾರದ ಗಣಮೇ ವರ್ಸರ್ಗ ಬೊಮ್ಮದ ತಯ್ಯ ನಕ ದಿನ ಭಜಂಕರೆ ಉದನಿ ತನಕ ದಿಮಿ ದಿತ್ತಾಂ ತೋಂ ತೈ ತೈ ಗಣಪತಿನಾಂ ಸದಾ ಅವರ ವಾಸವೇ ಕರಂಬಾಜತಿ ದ್ರುಮಿ ಮೃದಂಗ ಅವರ ವಾಸವೇ ಕರಂಬಾಜತಿ ದ್ರುಮಿ ಮೃದಂಗ ನವಾಬ್ ಸಾರಂಗಿ ಸಿತಾರ್ ಕಿನರೆ ಅವರ ವಾಸ ಗೈ ಮುಗರ್ ಸಿಂಗ ನವಾಬ್ ಸಾರಂಗಿ ಸಿತಾರ್ ಕಿನರೆ ಅವರ ವಾಸ ಗೈ ಮುಗರ್ ಸಿಂಗ ಬೊಮ್ಮದ ತಯ್ಯ ನಕ ದಿನ ಭಜಂಕರೆ ಉದನಿ ತನಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ದಿತ್ತಾಂ ತೋಂ ತೈ ತೈ ಗಣಪತಿನಾಂ ಸದಾ ಉದನಿ ತನಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ದಿತ್ತಾಂ ತೋಂ ತೈ ತೈ ಗಣಪತಿನಾಂ ಸದಾ ಉದನಿ ತನಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ದಿತ್ತಂ ತೋಂ ತೈ ತೈ ಗಣಪತಿನಾಂ ಸದಾ ತೈ ತೈ ನನ್ನ ಕದಿನಾಂ ಸದಾ ತೈ ತೈ ಗಣಪತಿನಾಂ ಸದಾ.
Energy. It was truly a celebration of rhythm and joy. Up next, we have a very special presentation, Swarajati, performed by our young Bharatanatyam dancers aged 5 to 8 years. Swarajati is an important piece in Bharatanatyam that focuses on pure dance movements and rhythm, helping dancers develop strong footwork and posture. It combines swara, musical note, with rhythmic pattern, allowing the dancers to explore nritta or a pure dance. Today's Swarajati is set in Ragam, Bilahari, Talam, Adi. Bilahari is a bright and uplifting Ragam, while Adi Talam provides a strong rhythmic foundation. This beautiful presentation will be performed by Akshara, Aroi, Chinmay, Dakshita, Danvi, Harini, Priyanshi, Sanvika, and Shrinika. What a wonderful performance. Their confidence and precision were truly impressive. Let's give our dancers another big round of applause. Thank you so much. So up next, we present the centerpiece of Bharatanatyam recital, the Varnam. The Varnam is considered the most elaborated and significant item in the Bharatanatyam Margam. It beautifully combines pure dance and expressive storytelling, allowing dancers to showcase both technical mastery and emotional depth. Today's Varnam is set in Ragam, Karahara Priya and Talam Adi. Karahara Priya, a soulful and majestic ragam, brings out profound emotion, while Adi Thalam provides a steady rhythm that highlights the detailed footwork and well-crafted choreography. This powerful performance will be performed by Meda, Nivedita, Neva, Sara, Citralikya, Swara, and Vedika. Please join me in welcoming our dancers to the stage for this grand presentation of Mahadevam Kautukam.
Tam din tam takita tam tajanu tam takita tam din tam takita tam tajanu tam takita tam din tam takita tam tajanu tam takita tam din tam takita tam tajanu tam takita
That was truly a mesmerizing, and the expressions and precision beautifully captured the essence of Bharatanatyam. Up next, we have a lively and vibrant piece, the Tilana. Tilanas are known for their fast pace and rhythmic pattern and joyful energy, making them a favorite in Bharatanatyam recital. The Tilana is set in Ragam, Kadana Kutuhalam, and Talam Adi. Kadana Kutuhalam is a playful and spirited ragam that brings a sense of celebration and excitement, perfectly matching the energetic choreography of this piece. This energetic performance will be presented by Charvi, Dishita, Sanvi, and Sehej. Please welcome our dancers with a warm round of applause.
Natritadim tananam tadaradani nadredritum nadredritum tritillilana 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 tum na tum tillilana na tadim tanna vadnamade virisane adaramade murisane vadnamade virisane adaramade murisane madhuraganam baje naalurani manoharane madhuraganam baje naalurani manoharane madana kadana kudugaludu rammana madana kadana kudugaludu rammana madana kadana kudugaludu rammana virana 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 rave vadnamade virisane adaramade murisane madhuraganam baje naalurani manoharane madana kadana kudugaludu rammana virana 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 rave tarikita jam tajanuta tarikita jam tajanuta tarikita taka dittanangu taka tarikita taka dittanangu to mredo Dillana ditillana ditillana dillana ditillana ditillana dillana ditillana ditillana sari magari sari re madal sari gagga bas sari rava maga maga yatra din tananam tararani nadretum ditillana nadretum tananam tararani nadretum ditillana nadretum